Today we're going to make this easy popsicle stick cross craft.
For today's craft, all you need is some glue, 2 popsicle sticks. Now you can use the thinner popsicle sticks or you can use the thicker craft sticks, it doesn't matter. And they can be in any color, that also doesn't matter. And you need a whole bunch of pom-poms. I think I have 17 or 18 pom-poms here. And I have them in different colors, but you could have them all in the same color if you want. It doesn't matter. So the only thing you want to do is make sure the pom-poms are going to fit on top of whatever stick that you choose. So they don't have to be this size, they could be a little bit smaller, they could also be bigger, they would fit on here as well. Go ahead, grab your supplies, and let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to take our popsicle sticks and we're going to turn them into a cross. So to do that, I am opening up my glue. Now you can use this type of glue or you can use a liquid white glue as well. And I like to take this and put it on top of the spot where I want my other stick to go across. So when you're putting this stick over here, you don't want it right up here. That looks like the letter T, and you don't want it right in the middle. It looks like a plus sign. We want it in between the top and the middle. So that's about 1/4 of the way down. So it's about right there. I'll just put that down so you can see. And you want that to sit in the middle. The easiest way I find to do that is I take my glue and I put quite a bit exactly where I want it. Looks like I'm running out of glue. I might need to get a new glue stick here. But you can see I'm putting quite a bit right where I want that. It's even slipping onto my workspace, so just be careful with that. Then I take the other stick, find that spot that I want it, make sure it's in the middle here as well, and I just push it down and I hold it for a few seconds here and I wait. Now you need to wait because if you don't, these are going to slip and slide and they're not going to stick together. So you do need to wait a moment. Meanwhile, I'm going to grab another glue. Okay. Once you've waited and they have now secured themselves, you can go on. Now, if you start to work and they come apart, that's okay. Just glue them back together and wait a little bit longer. Now you're going to take your pom-poms, and this is where you get to decide what colors you want. Maybe you want to do a pattern. Maybe you're doing one color across and one color down. Maybe you are doing a color here, a color here, a color there. It doesn't matter. Whatever you want, but you have to make sure that the pom-poms go in the order that you want. And once you have that order, so for example, let's say I want to make a little pattern. Maybe I will go orange, yellow, orange, yellow, maybe green, red, pink. I kind of like that pattern. Orange, red, orange, yellow, green, red, pink. I have a blue extra here. I don't know what I'll do with that, or the white, but we'll see. And then maybe I'll do orange, see if I can do that again. Yellow. Did I say blue? I meant green. Green. I don't even know what colors I'm saying anymore. This red and this pink. Then I've got another orange and a yellow and a green. And I don't have any more red. So I'm not sure how this is going to work. Maybe I can do a pattern up here and I'll switch it on this side. I'm going to have to figure that out as I go. So just kind of have an idea of what you want. And then you're going to put glue. So I'm going to start down here. And you can see I'm putting a lot of glue on there. I've got quite a bit of glue, and the glue is going to dry fairly quickly, so I do want to stick everything on fairly quickly. So I'm going to start here with my orange. I'm just going to push down, and then I'm going to go yellow, and I'm pushing them fairly close together. I don't want any spaces in between. You know, it is a craft, so if you want spaces in between, that's up to you, but I would like mine all to stick nice and close together, and I'm just sticking them in the order here that I've come up with. Now remember, kind of ran out of the pattern. Maybe I'll just do like a blue right in the middle. It's kind of nice. Or maybe a white right in the middle. Maybe white for pure, like a cross. Jesus is pure. I don't know. And then I'm going to put more glue on the next stick. Now, as I'm doing this, I can feel the stick moving a little bit, so I'm going to have to be very careful I can feel it moving. You can see it's even moved a little bit. I'm gonna have to move that back and make sure I'm careful with it. I probably should have waited a little bit longer. And I'm gonna do this again. Now, if you can only put glue on one side and then you can put glue on the other, if you don't think you can be fast enough, that's okay, you can do that. This time I think I'm going to start with the white in the middle. And then maybe I'll go from here. Uh-oh, that did not stick. So I don't have enough glue there. What I'm actually gonna do is put some glue right on the pom-pom this time, because I don't seem to have enough glue that's sticking on there. And I'm gonna put that down. And then I'm going to put orange on each side to make them the same. Hopefully I have enough glue down there. And then I'm gonna do yellow on each side. I'm going to do green on each side, although I think I might need some more glue. And hopefully I've got this measured properly so that I can fit the same amount on each side. If not, I'm going to have to squish them together. And then after green, here this one's red, but I don't have another red. So I guess what I'll do is I'll do a pink on each side. And then, you know, we still have the top, so I'm going to do the top. Now I can either put glue there, or I can put glue on the pom-pom, whatever is going to work for you. And I think, now before I glue these, I'm going to put them down just to see how I like it. I don't know if I want the blue. Maybe just these two would be enough. Hopefully that will stick on there. That's what I think I'm going to do. And hopefully I have enough room. Or I can always try to find some more pom-poms. Oops, I'm going to do this one. And now that you know how to make one, you can make them in a variety of different patterns, whatever you would like. And you just want that to dry. So you're going to leave it to dry for a little bit before you pick it up. And then once you have it all dried, you are good to go. You could even hang it up.
If you like this craft, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.